Hey, pack your suitcase and grab your sunglasses. We're going on a trip and you're coming with. Hey, welcome to 41 Garage and Grill. If you like Jeeps, going on adventures, and occasionally throwing something on the grill, then this is the place for you. Right now, the adventure's taking us into Walmart. So last spring we had plans to go out west, head out to Moab and some other places, and when the virus hit we had to cancel our plans because everything was shutting down. So we've been spending all summer trying to figure out what to do. Things are starting to open up a little bit again. And we're ready to get out. So for the last few weeks we've been hem-hawing around about what to do. Whether we should do a trip close to home, should we go on a little bit of a road trip, should we go for a few days, should we go for a week, what should we do? Yeah, so we could easily wait till next year, go on this trip that we've been talking about. But with the way the world's going right now, who knows what's going to happen next year? It's crazy enough as it is, and especially being an election year, who knows what's going to happen? So, again, we were hem-hawing around about some different ideas, and we ended up taking a page out of the movie Risky Business. There's a famous line.
You know, Bill, there's one thing I've learned in all my years. Sometimes you gotta say, what the make your move.
I beg your pardon?
So here it is Wednesday night. I'm changing the oil on the Jeep. Because Friday we're leaving for Moab. Okay, so now you know it. We're taking the Rubicon to Moab. It's going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of cool trails out there I can't wait to hit. Kind of been looking forward to this all year. So we got some other things planned to do along the way and even on the way back home. Not sure exactly how much of that we'll be able to hit in the 1 week's time that we have allowed for this, but we'll do our best. Got my oil changed, got a few other things to do. So I'm going to get busy and I will talk to you guys later. Okay, so here it is Thursday night. We're leaving tomorrow. Got this in the mail today. Bought it off Amazon. We're going to try it out. This will be used when we get off the trail and have to reinflate our tires. I've never done it before, so let's open up, see what we got. Oh wait, look at that. There is a hose in there. It's not as bad as I thought. Got a little case for it. There's the motor pump. Well, that's cool. Let's check this out. So it comes with this connection, so I can plug it right into the battery, which will be nice. Going on directly there. Short little hose. I don't know how well that's going to work, but we'll see. Also has this light on it. Wow, fancy. Okay, so obviously positive, negative. Oops. And look at that light. Oh my God, I'm blinded. Okay, so then down here at the tire, we got this attachment, which should just screw right on to this. How awesome was that? That was quick, easy, right? For a little test anyways. I think it's going to work for what we need it for. We're just going to use it, like I said, when we get off the trail, need to air back up our tires. You know, for, what was that, $60 on Amazon? I'm thinking we did all right. So we'll let you know though. Okay, so just going to throw some tools together here. So one really nice thing about this Jeep is how much room we have back here. It's just two-door Jeep, right? But it's the LJ, so we have roughly 13 extra inches, which would be over a normal two-door Jeep. So, but look how much space there is when I pull that seat up. Here's the initial loadout on this thing. You can see like there's still tons of room in there. The only thing we really have left to pack is our clothes, and there's plenty of space for that right here. Okay, so that's a wrap for Thursday night. Got most of the gear on there. The only thing left to put in is the clothes, and we're what, about T-minus 16, 17 hours from taking off. So stay tuned, join us for this big journey, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, Jeep's all packed, ready to go. We're gonna hit the road here. Just gonna be a lot of driving tonight.
Where do you think we'll stop?
Stop? What are you talking about? She thinks we're gonna stop tonight.
Yeah, we are.
Stop of the night. We're in Decatur, Illinois. We just hit a Starbucks and we're filling up on gas. Let me tell you something interesting about Decatur. Okay, so here's the interesting fact about Decatur, Illinois. It's the original home to the Chicago Bears.
Team that is known as the Bears. The Bears.
Onward we go. Okay, time for another quick stop. I think we're in Shabina, somewhere in Missouri. Just getting outstretched, gonna top off the tank since we stopped. It's kind of entertaining on the way over here. We're listening to a lot of 80s dance music, which was kind of scary. So Midnight Star, Tone Loc. What else was some of the other ones? Okay, well, yeah, that's scary. So for those of you that don't know who those people are, you're lucky. But if you want to find out, Google it. So anyways, like I said, we're just taking 5. Gonna get back on the road. We're probably 2 hours from our stop tonight. Which I think we said was, what's the name of the town? Somewhere near Kansas City. So, later. Okay, here's a quick update. Just went inside. Got a road trip must, some Twizzlers. And look what is happening over here. My lovely wife is cleaning the windshield so we can actually see out the front. So totally forgot to do that at the last stop and was regretting it going into the sun. So should be good now though. So, okay, second time. I'm signing off till later. Bye. Okay, day 1 in the books. We're at the hotel for the night, and I think we did about almost 300 miles, and gonna hit SAC, hit it early tomorrow, try to get into Colorado somewhere, and then we'll go from there. So talk to you guys tomorrow. When was the last time you were stuck on an elevator?
Stop.